M is for mountains, reaching the sky. N is for nest, where little birds try. O is for oak, its shade keeps us cool. P is for poppy, bright flowers to school.
Q is for quail, with feathers so neat. R is for river, a cool place to meet. S is for seashells, so fun to collect. T is for tree, so big to protect.
U is for universe, stars way up high. V is for vine, climbing to the sky. W is for waterfalls, splashing so loud. X is for xerophyte, plants that make us proud.
Y is for yellow bird, singing a tune. Z is for zephyr, soft winds in June. From A to Z, let's clap and sing. Nature's ABCs are a wonderful thing.